Hey RVers, do you bring your pets along with you when you go out on an RV trip? We do. Welcome to RV Lifestyle and Repair Videos. I'm Lisa McEwen. Today we are talking about bringing your pets along with you on an RV trip. Like so many RVers, we always bring Milo, our furry friend, along with us, mostly because he loves taking camping trips with us, but also because it's a lot cheaper to bring him along with as opposed to boarding. If we were trying to board him for a week or so, on the high end, it could cost upwards of about $350. So it's certainly a lot cheaper to bring him along with as well. But if you are bringing a pet along with you, it certainly means that you need to take some extra precautions. So here are some tips to protect your pet on your next RV trip. Meet Milo. He's our 4-year-old Basset Hound BloodHound mix that came to our family about a year ago as a rescue. During his first few camping trips, he did not know what to make of it, but now he's a seasoned traveler. Like us, he likes to explore new things. He's a big fan of his family walks where he gets to sniff and examine everything on his route. When we have Milo out and about, we follow basic campground etiquette. There are really 2 golden rules that you should follow. The first one being to keep your dog or your pet on your own campsite. Even if your next door neighbor absolutely loves dogs, it's still the best choice to keep your pet in your own space so you can be respectful of everyone else in the campground. The second rule is to pick up after your pet. Simple truth is, nobody likes to step in dog poop. Am I right? So, pick up after your pet no matter where you are. Even if you're on a hike in the middle of the woods, pick up after him or her. It's your responsibility. When Milo is in the camper, he has his own space. He usually claims this spot right here, and the girls are happy to keep him company. That's another tip. Make sure your dog or pet has their own space to rest and relax. Here are a few other tips that you can use to keep your pet happy while you're on your next RV trip. While you are traveling, if you decide to pull off at a rest station and take a break, get your pet out as well. Let them have a drink of water, maybe a bite to eat, exercise their legs, get them out for a walk. Water is also another big tip. You want to make sure that your pet stays hydrated, especially if you're in those warmer temperatures. If you decide to leave your pet unattended in the camper while you go elsewhere, make sure you limit that time and be sure that you are keeping your pet comfortable during that time as well. So make sure you leave out the food and the water and consider the temperature that's in the RV cabin as well. You want to make sure that it's an okay temperature, be it hot or colder. And the last tip that we should recommend is to always bring those vaccination records with you. Unfortunately, you just don't know if an emergency is going to pop up, so bring those records with you just in case. With these tips, hopefully you'll have a great RV trip with your pet. Until next time.